So in this video I am going to share you very beautiful cosmetic brand, new brand I have came up with. I just discovered this brand and I have been loving this brand so much, so I thought why not to share all these things with you guys. Let me put a disclaimer here. First of all, first thing, that half of the products I have bought because I wanted to try it out because it was so good, and few of the products she have sent me for a review purpose. She is such a loving person, let me tell you. So let's start. So this was the first product. This is a night cream which I have my eye on, and I was thinking to buy this because this product actually has worked for many of this. It does all its jobs because if you see, it works on hyperpigmentation, acne marks, reduces acne, fine lines, under eyes, color correction, and brightens up the skin. So it has everything in it, and let me tell you, it's been mentioned about the ingredient over here also. So it is a, you'll see an ingredient list as well. It has a collagen booster, kojic acid depalmate, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, mulberry extract, vitamin E, B3, every premium product. So as you saw, the color of the cream and the consistency is really very nice and smooth. I've already used all of these creams from the many makeup artists make this cream. So I've used many. I really have a very good hope on this product because she has told me very good thing about the people really got a very huge benefit from this cream. So I actually took this for my small spots which is coming on my face. So this is the second product which I bought. This product was cost 300 rupees and that cream was for 800 rupees. Now you'll see a very nice swatch on my hands. I saw this product and I tested this product from in Mazarine Fiesta, and when I came home the next day, it was just a very random swatch on my skin, my hands. When I came back my home, I saw the color and the pigment still there on my hands till the next morning, and I was really very amazed with the result because it was so nice tinted gloss and which didn't fades up. So this is a pH balance gloss which turns pink after some times, and I really like this kind of gloss, so I was very into it. And the second swatch which you are seeing is a very transparent gloss, but it has a little sparkle and shiny particles. And the third thing which you are seeing here is, I think so, this is a lip oil because this don't have anything, but still this will make your lips very nice and smooth whenever you apply. You saw all the three gloss has different varieties. This is very plain lip oil. The second swatch was has a sparkle and gloss, and the third one which has a tint and a gloss. Now here comes a really very again an interesting part. Here is the lip and cheek tint, and this was very amazing. As you saw, the packaging was really very nice and cute and classy. I really like the tint, which is liquid tint, because I think so this stays on the lips and cheeks very long. And let me tell you, this was a very bomb product. I personally love this tint because it sits on my skin for I think so 20 hours. Let me tell you, I'm not lying guys. I'm really telling this. And this has a very nice flush pink color which will give you that perfect tint which nowadays girls are applying, right? So this was the shade number 2. The first one was the shade number 1, which is a more of a pinky tone, and the second one which is a cherry red color. But both color suits, which will suits on every skin tone, whether it's a fair skin tone or a whitish Indian skin tone. These both will suits on both the things because this is something a very running color, and the tints are already going everywhere in the air. Okay, so I really love these two tints very much, and I'm going to surely use it. And so here you saw all of the swatch. After few minutes you see a more color on the pH balance gloss, which was a peachy shade. और एक और शेड इसमें आता है पिंक शेड, which is a slight pinkish shade. This is more of a peachy shade. So you can contact her if you like any of these product. Guys, go and grab it. Please contact her. Each and every detail has been mentioned in this card, so you can contact her and you can order your products. So just be quick and order all your products. Till then, take care. Bye. I hope you guys like the video. Share as much you can, guys. Bye.